Hi everybody, Miss Peterson here. So for this week's challenge, we are going to be doing a paper airplane toss. So if you don't know how to make a paper airplane, here's a quick tutorial on how to do it. To make your paper airplane, you'll need an A4 piece of paper. Step 1, fold down the middle hot dog style. Step 2, fold the top two corners towards the center crease. Step 3, fold the new top corners towards the center crease again. Step 4, fold the airplane in half. Step 5, fold out the wings on each side. Voila, you have your paper airplane. Alright, so all you're gonna need for this activity is you're gonna need 3 paper airplanes, and if you want to make them a little bit different than how I did, go for it. Okay, you're gonna need 3 paper airplanes, and then you're gonna need some sort of a box. It can be a bin, it can even just be a target if you can't find a box. All right, so once you have your equipment to complete this challenge, you are going to see how many times you can either hit the box or target or get the airplane inside the box in 1 minute. So if you hit the box or target, you get 1 point. If you make it inside the box, you get 2 points. You can determine how far away you want to put your box as well. All right, this is me doing it. All right, I'm gonna get ready to go. Starting the timer. 1 minute. Ready, set, go. And that's it. That's time. All right, let's see how many you can get.